All right, class, what's going on today? Today we're going to be learning about two-step equations. Can anyone tell me what a two-step equation is? It's all right, I'm here to tell you what it means. A two-step equation is a puzzle where you need to find what both sides of the equation are equal to. We're going to look at an example and walk through the steps of the two-step equation together. The first example we're going to look at together is 3x plus 3 equals 9. Now, does anyone know what this letter right here is called? This is called the variable. The variable is what we're trying to find that makes this side of the equation equal to this side. The goal is to isolate the variable or to get it alone. Does anyone know what the number attached to the variable is? This is called the coefficient. In two-step equations, the number that is attached to the variable is always going to be called the coefficient. So with that being said, to get this variable alone, the first step we're going to have to do is subtract 3 from both sides of the equation, leaving us with 3x equals 6. So since that's the first step in a two-step equation, there's going to be a second step that follows, and that step to get this variable alone is going to be to divide by the coefficient on both sides of the equation, leaving us with x equals 2. Do you guys see why that makes sense? If I were to plug in 2 where the x is in the equation, we would get 3 times 2 equals 6, plus 3 equals 9, giving us a right answer of x equals 2. Now before I let you guys run off on your own and try one of these examples by yourself, a helpful tip I want to give you is that you are always going to be doing the opposite operation that is given to you in the problem. For example, in this problem, we were given addition. So we did the opposite, which was subtraction right here, and it gave us 3x equals 6. And in the second step, we had the multiplication with the 3 and the x, so we divided by 3, and we got our answer of x equals 2. So now I'm going to give you guys an example to do on your own of 5x minus 7 equals 13. So I'm going to give you guys a few minutes to try this, and then we're going to walk through it together. All right, does anyone know what the first step of this equation might be?
The opposite.
What would the opposite be in this equation?
The opposite of subtraction is addition.
Exactly. So we're going to add 7 to both sides. Awesome job. And what is that going to give us?
That's a Corey question.
13. 5x equals 6. Whoa. Oh, 5x equals 6. 7.
It's close, but it's going to be 5x equals 20. Because 13 plus 7 equals 20. It's all good. I'm here to help you out. Does anyone know what the second step of this equation might be? Yeah.
Divide by 5.
Exactly. We're going to divide by the coefficient on both sides. And it's going to give us an answer of x equals 4. Great job, guys. So impressed with your progress on this. It's very important you guys understand how to do this because it's the backbone of a lot of the algebraic equations you're going to be doing in the future. So to help you guys with this, I came up with a song or an academic cheer to help you remember two-step equations. We got an equation, it's two-step time. Gonna solve it quick and it'll be just fine. Start with a number like 3x plus 4. We're gonna break it down, yeah, let's explore. Two-step equations, first you subtract. Isolate the variable, yeah, that's a fact. Divide by the coefficient, finish the attack. Then you have your answer, 2 steps, never lax. Most important thing is do the opposite. If they are plus, then you are minusing. If they do subtraction, then you do addition. First step done, now we're dividing. Two-step equations. First you subtract. Isolate the variable, yeah, that's a fact. Divide by the coefficient, finish the attack. Then you have your answer, 2 steps, never lax. Two-step, that's how it's done. Math is power, and we're having fun. With a clap and a snap, now you're on your way. Two-step equations, crush them every day. I hope you guys learned something today and have a great rest of your week.